Numbers can mean a lot of things, but for me, they have been defining the ups and downs in life. 2000, wow. 100, no. Constantly being trapped by the game. 23, when people see my stuff, they say I'm doing amazing. I smile and say thank you, but I deeply think about how I could do better. Why am I not grateful to be where I am? All the numerous steps I had to take to get here. Surely I'm grateful, right? 100. What if I disconnected, disappeared from the numbers? I don't want the numbers to control me. Yeah, disappearing from the trap. 500. What if I never cared about the numbers again? The freedom that would be in my life. The mental health that would be restored. The peace that would be in my life. 746. Bye numbers. For me, not chasing them might even drag them closer in the long term. It's a win-win, honestly. 2000.